Hello guys. Today we will discuss about with in data prepare recipe. We'll do fold multiple columns. So like for example, column 1, column 2, column 3. These three columns will fold into single column and values into another column. Okay, we'll look into this. I will open with the data set. So in this data set, I have date local, ID 01, ID 18, ID 31. So I'm considering with these three columns. So ID 01, ID 18, ID 31. I have the values are 1 and 0. My requirement is these three columns will move into one column. Like column names are in one column and values are in one column, like folding. Okay, let's look into this one. By using data prepare recipe, we will do this folding. I'm opening with the data prepare recipe. So in this, I'm adding the step. Step is fold multiple columns. So here, if you search with the fold multiple columns, select with the fold multiple columns and column for fold name. For example, I want to create one column name. Column name is I just create as the site, and values will store it as value only. Same thing, site value, and add column list. Column list is I will add three column names: ID 01, ID 18, ID 31. I'll just add it. So what I had done, fold multiple columns I have selected. In this, I have selected as three columns: ID 01, ID 18, ID 31. And I have created with the column name site. Okay, if you look into this, the output also showing here, the preview site. ID 01, ID 18, ID 31. So three columns are folded and values are 100. So value name is value. I have given as column for fold name as site, column for fold value as value, and run. So these later we'll remove as these three columns: ID 01, ID 18, and ID 31. So these three columns will convert to two columns like this. For example, if we have the month January to December is there, all the 12 months data you can fold it and convert. Okay, let's look into the data. Okay, so the data is converted. For example, I want to remove these three columns. Let's go back to data prepare recipe. So now I have folded three columns, right? ID 01, ID 18, ID 31. So in this, no data. So it's not required. Just select this one and delete. So one more recipe is created, remove ID 01. So remove if you are removing single column or multiple columns. So multiple columns we have to remove. So select this one also, I am doing the same. Another column is added. And this one also same, delete. Okay, so three columns are removed. So see this one recipe. Remove columns ID 31, ID 18, ID 01. So three columns are removed. Done. So now simply three columns are creating one row. Similarly, if you want the month data or else if any multiple clients data is there, you can simply fold the columns. Thank you.